There was somebody that sometimes was referred to as Pocahontas, although her name in her own language was Matoaka. And there was somebody named John Smith, and they never had a romantic relationship with one another. That was all fabricated. The woman that they sometimes called Pocahontas was actually taken as a captive, held for ransom. She was actually forced to marry a different Englishman named John Rolfe, had a son by him, and has living descendants in Virginia today. She was actually brought to England, she was paraded before the Queen, and she was dead by the time she was 22 years old. And most of the story, including her capture, ransom, forced marriage, and the birth of her son, happened while she was younger than any of you. She was a minor child. So we are supposed to be like dismantling the patriarchy and opposed to human trafficking, rather than dressing that up as some sort of Disney fantasy and pretending it was all awesome. In many ways, the mythology is like the Disney version of the story, and it serves to massage the consciousness of those who built and benefited from the colonial systems that were built on top of the indigenous ones. It's like we were the good guys. There was room for all of us. And the reality is, there was some really tough stuff that is just not okay. And that is a hard truth to come to terms with and to accept, although it is a truth nonetheless.